In just a decade of life, they cram in a lifetime of experiences. Today, we've borrowed a page from their chronicle, and now the screen is ready to highlight the blue grosbeak. Their everyday routines, joyful moments, loud, happiest chirps, angry screamings, and all other emotions are connected to where the light and shadow blend, where the dense growth of shrubs, ecotones, and overgrown fields create a weave of wild narration. Across the globe, numerous creatures announce their presence more vividly through sound than sight. The blue grosbeak and its partner are among these species. Their exquisite songs serve as the most reliable indicator of their presence, drawing attention to the enchanting aspects of nature. This intense blue tone is accentuated by the darker blue-gray beak, creating a striking contrast. Moreover, during the breeding season, these handsome birds become even more attractive. In the diverse avifauna of the region, the blue grosbeak's striking sexual dimorphism has led to the female being referred to by different names, often called the brown grosbeak or buff-colored grosbeak, a testament to her distinct brownish or buff-colored plumage. This difference in appearance often leads to initial confusion, with the female being mistaken for a separate species altogether. Their tongues are seasoned by the diverse flavors of their journeys, each trip unveiling new tastes that leave them wanting more. The blue grosbeak's palate, honed by miles of migration, craves the familiar yet yearns for the novel, driven by the thrill of discovery that comes with every flight. Their forefathers discovered the ideal climate for bringing forth new life in Mexico and the southern United States, regions that offered abundant food, suitable habitats, and favorable conditions for spawning and nesting. Each couple typically nurtures 2 broods per year, carefully raising their young on the low tree or bush, strategically located near their foraging grounds, making it easier to collect food and nurture their young ones, as they primarily forage on the ground. I'm loving spotting blue grosbeaks in the wild. They're a visual treat, and their bright colors are really striking. Doesn't matter how small they are, they're just so cool to see. I think it's awesome how they flit around on the ground, foraging for food, and then zip up to a nearby bush to sing their sweet song. They're just so full of energy and life,